Even being the most cautious and careful driver, you cannot control events outside of your vehicle. That's why, like many other road users, you may experience dangerous and erratic drivers and remain helpless. But now, there is something you can do about it. With an in-car camera or dash cam, you can get another set of two eyes to keep a video record of what occurred and when during your journey to identify dangerous drivers and avoid paying for their irresponsible actions. Well, several companies are offering dash cams. Are you confused about which one to choose? If yes, then trust Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. Today's most advanced and powerful 4K video car dash camera with new advanced features that can keep ahead of its competitors. The Rove R2 4K Dash Cam can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p, whereas its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology with a new advanced Sony Starvis sensor helps to get unmatched clear footage and images from the recording even in low light conditions. Moreover, you can have an undistorted video experience now with its new distortion correction algorithm feature. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the Rove app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download the recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route in the tracker on Google Maps and accurately records your driving locations and speed. Moreover, the revolutionary Rove R2 4K dashcam has state-of-the-art features such as f1.8 apertures, the largest in the industry. Auto-triggered parking mode makes the dashcam go into parking mode automatically when your car engine shuts off. 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, G sensors, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow-motion video, and ensures an extended storage capacity by supporting up to 512 gigabytes Class 10 U3 speed microSD card, which is the highest in the industry. Before choosing any dashcam, temperature guidelines are an essential factor that matters the most. Rove R2 4K is designed and tested to function and withstand extreme higher heat and cold temperatures geographically. It can work in extreme cold of negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit to extreme hot 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Moreover, the Rove R2 4K comes with a beautifully written professional user manual, which is easy to understand and detail-oriented for any dashcam enthusiasts. It is easy to use and easy to install. Here one of our reviewers said, "I am 91 years old and I love it. Easy to install and operate. If he can do it, then anyone can do it." At Rove, we provide how-to videos that will help you set up your dashcam in less than 3 minutes and explain all the features and details for under 30 minutes. On top of these, if you have any questions or concerns, we have a customer care team that is personalized and ready to help answer any questions or concerns or solve any issues that you may need help with. Purchasing the Rove R2 4K comes with an all-in-one package. You will get an advanced 4K video card dash camera that has a meticulously designed hardware and a custom-designed beautiful firmware. We provide free firmware upgrades, free iOS and Android app updates, free GPS player for PC and Mac, and free lifetime customer support that is backed by a 1-year hassle-free warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee in case you have any doubts. All of these are from your local Chicagoland, Illinois company that you can trust. Rove R2 4K has so many advanced state-of-the-art features and technology packed in a single unit, where R2 4K is all you need that won't break your bank. So please, choose today's powerful, compact, beautiful software, user-friendly, and most reliable 4K dash camera, and secure your drive to a safer future with Rove.
If you spend time on the road, you are bound to witness irresponsible driving. And no matter how careful you are, you can always be affected by another driver's bad decisions. To avoid paying for the actions of irresponsible drivers, you need a device which you can always rely on as a personal eyewitness. The Rexing V1 has been that device, proving itself time and time and time again as a necessary addition to vehicles everywhere. Reliable, intuitive, and immensely powerful, the Rexing V1 offers several exceptional qualities which distinguish it as a top-rated dash cam. The discreet design of the incredibly lightweight body features a low-profile form, making it practically invisible to other drivers. The camera records at an impressive 4K Ultra HD resolution with an immensely wide 170-degree field of view. With today's most advanced image sensor, it provides up to 4 times more image clarity than previous generations, ensuring less blind spots, more fine details, and outstanding image quality. Using wide dynamic range technology, the V1 can automatically adapt to any light condition, day or night. Rather than use a standard lithium-ion battery, the Rexing V1 camera is powered by a supercapacitor to guarantee you long-term reliability in even the most extreme temperatures. The camera also features a 2.4-inch LCD screen, which you can use to play back your recordings at any time. And sharing your footage has never been easier, thanks to the camera's built-in Wi-Fi. The Rexing app interface allows you to quickly and easily transfer your clips directly to your phone or tablet. Document your driving experiences with a personal eyewitness that's always there when you need it. Highly functional and always reliable, the Rexing V1 offers peace of mind to responsible drivers everywhere.